Confused about your next move in life, especially for your second half? You'd love to create the work and life you love, but you're stuck. Women at the halftime of their life can take advantage of their many skills, resources, and talents and package them up to create the life they desire. When the not-good-enough and imposter syndrome shows up, it's easy to let fear and anxiety take over, but you don't have to let them. We take you through a step-by-step approach to creating the life and business of your dreams. You are totally worth the makeover that confidence and assurance brings. Your transformation is entirely possible with a solid structure and foundation built on your uniqueness, resources, and value. Many of our programs are part of the Hero Mountain series, connecting your personal and professional life with vital principles to make your second half even better than your first. So whether you want to start a side business, a new venture, or a nonprofit, the time to start is now. Let's do this together.